Here's where you can go to find the NFC settings on your Pixel phone with Android 15 or for most Android phones. You can always check in the quick settings section and look for NFC. If it's not there, sometimes you'll just have to go into the main settings right here. And once in the main settings, you'll see different options, but you're going to the one that says connected devices. Some other Android phones may say connections or more wireless connection settings. When you go there, you'll see these different options, and some of them may be within a specific category, such as connection preferences. So when you go here now, you look for it here, and you'll just tap on it, and you'll see different options. And of course, you'll see Bluetooth, NFC, cast, and not every Android phone has NFC, but to know if you have it, you can always go into this section here. So once you're here now, you'll tap on it and it'll show you NFC. And of course, you can have it set for different other options and also contactless payments. And that's it. You don't really need to have this on, but if you want to make use of it, this is where you would go to do it. Like and sub.